Today we're going to do a bike check on the 2019 TREK Roscoe 8. This is a 27.5 plus hardtail. The frame is alpha gold aluminum. It has internal derailleur routing and dropper post routing. Front fork is a RockShox Judy Silver TK Solo Air Spring. It's got a rebound adjust. It's got the lockout on it. 120 millimeter travel and 51 millimeter offset. We'll go to the wheels. The wheels are the Bontrager Line 40 28 hole tubeless ready. The hubs are Formula hubs, front and rear. A little dirty, pay no mind to it. Been riding this thing a little bit. Formula hubs. The tires, we have Maxxis Recon 27.5 plus 2.8 width. Awesome tire, in my opinion. Thing kicks some major butt. We'll go to the drivetrain now. We got a SRAM NX Eagle 1x12 drivetrain with a SRAM NX rear derailleur. We have an 1150 12-speed Eagle cassette. The shifter is a 1x12 SRAM NX shifter. So Drivetrain Descendant 6K Eagle crank with a 30-tooth direct mount chainring. Bottom bracket is a Drivetrain power spline. We got the chain is a SRAM NX Eagle chain, and it comes with just some nylon platform pedals. Moving on to the cockpit, starting out with the handlebar. We have a Bontrager alloy handlebar, 31.8 millimeter, 15 millimeter rise, 750 millimeter total width of that handlebar. You get the Bontrager grips, XR Trail Comp. It's also a lock-on grip. The stem is a Bontrager Rhythm Comp, 31.8 millimeter, 0 degree rise. Headset is a semi-integrated 1 1/8 inch top, 1 1/2 inch bottom on that headset. The brakes we're looking at Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes. You got 180 millimeter front rotor and a 160 millimeter rear rotor. The saddle is a Bontrager or Veda, I guess that's how you say it. You got a dropper post on here, which is sweet, 31.6 millimeter dropper post. It's got 125 millimeters of travel, internal cable routing, and you know, these TREK Roscoes, you can get like a TREK 6 Roscoe where you're coming in like $1,000 for the bike, on up to this, which is a TREK Roscoe 8, which is about $1,500. So for a plus tire hardtail, it's got slack geometry on it. Thing rides like a beast. You'll think you have a little rear suspension the way it rides. You'll just be amazed at how good it rides. The weight overall with the tubes in it and without the pedals came in at 31.7. Now what I'm going to do, got a few upgrades I'm going to make. I got some handlebars and some carbon bars, new stem, new dropper posts, different pedals, different grips. That's about it right now. I got a few of those things I'm going to put on there. Once I put those on there, I'll weigh it again and give you a short look at that, and then we'll let you know how it does. That's all for today. Papa D. Like and subscribe. Hit the buttons below. Appreciate it. Have a great day.